Alright, here we go.
I way too long, but I'm home again. I had done what I thought was to cover. So I'm gone, something's wrong, so I need to put an end to everyone. 5 nights, 5 innocent lives I took before their time. It's alright, I'll be fine, even though they die. Part of them survived, I'll make them unalive. It's alright, I'll be fine, safe inside. When you hide remains, what remains? Just a remnant of a soul inside a shell. I can tell by destroying them, but this time there's no gore. Like before, wasn't pretty, but it needed to be done for the sun. Fireflies, long and they were mine. I can't believe my eyes. It's alright, I'll be fine. Running out of time, I think that I can find a place where I can hide. It's alright, I'll be fine. Safe inside. We are but machines, but we breathe life into a glowing. Love your friends, not the end. Only blood that's flowing. He lives in our Father, he's the author of our wonderland. He made us into what we become. Fireflies, stop and your mind. I can't believe my eyes. It's alright, I'll be fine. Running out of time. I think that I can find a place where I can hide. It's alright, I'll be fine. Safe inside. P.S.C. I double massive numbers with a purple figure. The figure I put in a million and it's already in my hands like a demon. I'm the bleeding of criminal. Picking up, but it continues to the people. So he's gonna die. The others are free, he needs to die. Whatever he free, and some dies. Fireflies, running for their time. Saving mine. It's alright, I'll be fine. Not sure I survive. Don't know that I cry. I wake up alive. It's alright, I'll be fine. Stuck inside. La 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 la. It's alright, I'll be fine. La 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 la. It's alright, I'll be fine. Stuck inside, and I always come back.
There we go. Okay. I kind of messed up that little transition where I had to click to add the verse. I clicked a little bit too early and I had to spot that. But, oh well, it went better than I thought it would. So, took long enough for me to finally do that. Alrighty.